For the last photo shoot, I've invited Holly to join me at the New Year's Eve ball.
Got clammy hands already.
We shared a beautiful slow dance on the red carpet last night, and I'm really looking forward to this.
Hey girl, hi.
Oh my God, you look so stunning.
I'm walking into my photo shoot and it's magical.
Oh, yeah. Oh, better now that I'm not so alone. Hi.
It's a New Year's Eve scene with Brooke and I'm stoked that it's just going to be her and I tonight.
That's it, guys. You just have a moment together.
How you going?
Good. Usually good. Yeah. You've been patient. You've been waiting all day for this.
I know. Brooke makes me feel comfortable, safe. We've had a little laugh every time we've been together, which is really good. And just like a friendship is forming, and that's how all relationships start.
We can like slow dance and just twirl.
I feel like, yeah, maybe this is it.
That's all right. That feels natural for you.
Does that feel natural for you?
I mean, you feel really nice. Oh. You comfortable?
Yeah, as long as you are.
This photo shoot scene is truly magical.
She's drawn me in. She's got this, like, there's obviously an attraction there. Yeah, she's beautiful. Getting close to 12 o'clock.
You wanting a kiss?
Oh my God. Oh, whoa.
Yeah. I would love to more than anything right now.
Holly makes me a little bit giddy. I really wanted to kiss her in that moment, but look, you know, I'm always scared to make the first move. Thanks, Holly.
Thank you. Thanks for my nose kiss.
No.
What is that, a butterfly kiss?
No,
Eskimo
butterflies are
kiss.
like... Butterflies are like that.
Without lashes.
This is like fairy tale stuff that just doesn't happen. I'm hoping that that same energy can just continue into our next catch-up. And I can't wait to finally get to kiss her.
Well, YouTube, if you can't get enough Bachelor content, then you need to see more highlights. You'll find them right here. And you can also subscribe to this channel by clicking below.